having a great day today because today we're gonna have fun learning together. Oh, is this your first time here? My name is Teacher Cathy and welcome back to my online learning channel. Before we get started, I want you to stand up from your seats and let's do our warm-up song. And for our warm-up song for today, let's do the finger song. Are you ready? Let's do it together in 3, 2, 1. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a worm. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Two fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Three fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a cat. Meow, meow. Four fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a butterfly, fly, fly, fly. Five fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a tiger. Let's make it a little bit faster. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a worm, crawl, crawl, crawl. Two fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a rabbit, hop, hop, hop. Three fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a cat. Meow, meow. Four fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a butterfly, fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Five fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a tiger. Great job! In today's video, we're going to be moving on to the second sound that belongs to Jolly Phonics Group 4. And that sound is this one, the J sound. But before we continue to our lesson, I would like to say hello to our friends watching out there. Hello, Gian Galius from Cebu City. Hi, Gian. This is Teacher Cathy. Hello also to Mohammed Samed. Hi, Mohammed. And also hello to Zara Kiandra. Hi, Zara Kiandra. This is Teacher Cathy. Hello. Also to Gianna Domingo. Hi, Gianna. Hi. Hello also to Samantha De Castro. Hi, Samantha. And also, I would like to say hello to Alexine Gulip of Calbayog, Philippines. Hi, Alexine. This is Teacher Cathy. And also, hello to our friends watching from Davao Oriental, most especially to Lexi Giel, Austria, from Mati City, Davao Oriental. Hello, Lexi. This is Teacher Cathy. Hello also to Netushi Shinaya Silva of Sri Lanka. Hi, Netushi. Hello also to Zain Nathaniel of Liluan, Southern Leyte. Hi, Zain. And also hello to Zia Toledana of Quezon City. Hello, Zia. And hello to Naria Isabella Zinclair Faith P. Navarra of Iloilo City. Hi, Naria. And also to Akira May of Caloocan City. Hello, kids. Thank you for watching Teacher Cathy. Hope you're having a great time and I hope you are safe and in good health. This is me again, Teacher Cathy, sending my hugs and kisses to all of you. Take care. God bless you. I have mentioned earlier that our lesson today is all about the second sound that belongs to Jolly Phonics Group 4. But before we proceed to that lesson, let's have a short review of the lesson that we have learned last week, which is this sound. Can you remember what sound these letters can make? Great! So this is the A sound. A. We understood that when we see these letters are right next to each other, they make one sound. And the sound that they can make is A. A. Do you remember what action is for this sound? Yes, it's like this. A. A. Great job! So once again, our lesson today is about this sound. The name of this letter is J, and the sound it makes is J. J. Can you say it? J. J. Great! So we're going to be looking at its sound, action, song, story, letter formation, the J vocabulary. We will also be doing some blending and we will practice our listening skills.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja.
A mother and daughter are making some jelly. When it is ready, they tip it onto a plate. The jelly is tall and red and has 4 layers. As they carry it to the table, it wobbles and wobbles. The little girl laughs and pretends to wobble, just like the jelly, saying J, J, J.
To help us remember the sound of each letter, let's add some action to it. So for this sound, let's make our arms like this and we become jelly. And say J, 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 J. So for our J vocabulary, let's take a look at the pictures here. All of these pictures started with a J sound. Let's name them one by one. Are you ready? Let's go!
J, J. Jog, jog. J, J. Jet, jet. J, J. Jelly, jelly. J, J. Jellyfish, jellyfish. J, J. Jacket, jacket. J, J. Jam, jam. J, J. Juice, juice. J, J. Jar, jar. J, J. Jeans, jeans. J, J. Jump, jump. J. J. Jug, jug. J. J. Jeep, jeep. J. J. Jail, jail. J. J. Jigsaw, jigsaw. J. J. Jewel, jewel. J. J. Jungle, jungle. J. J. Jaguar, jaguar. J. J. Jump rope, jump rope. J. J. Jet ski, jet ski.
Now let's do some blending. Once again, blending is running the sounds together to make a word. So for this sound, we're going to be blending the J sound with the other sounds that we have learned so far. Are you ready? Let's go!
Now let's do sounding, blending, and reading. Are you ready? Here we go. J. A. J. A. Jam, jam. Jam, jam, jam. J. E. T. J. E. T. Jet, jet. Jet, jet, jet. J. O. G. J. O. G. Jog, jog. Jog, jog, jog. J. O. T. J. O. T. Jot, jot. Jot, jot, jot. J. A. G. J. A. G. Jug, jug. Jug, jug, jug. J. A. J. A. Jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. J. A. S. T. J. A. S. T. Just, just. Just, just, just. J. A. O. J. A. O. Jail, jail. Jail, jail, jail.
Now let's practice our listening skills. Let's play a game to see if you can hear the J sound from any of the words that I'm going to ask you. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you hear the J sound from the word jump? Jump. Did you say yes? Then you are right. because J is in the word jump. Jump. Great! Now here's another one. Can you hear the J sound in the word juice? Juice. Did you say yes? All right, and you are correct because J is in the word juice. Juice. Great job, kids! I'm so proud of you. Now you can give yourself a tap on your back.
Now let's learn how to write the letter J. We'll start with the uppercase or big J. To write uppercase J, we'll start at the top and do a line down. Then curve it at the bottom. Then we'll go back at the top and do a line across. Good job! Let's do it again. We'll start at the top and do a line down. Then curve it at the bottom. Then we'll go back at the top and do a line across. Great job! Now you try. Perfect! Now you know how to write the uppercase J. Now let's move on to the lowercase j. To write lowercase j, we'll start at the middle and draw a line down, then curve it at the bottom. Then go to the middle and do a little dot. Good job! Let's do it again. We'll start at the middle and draw a line down, then curve it at the bottom. Then go to the middle and do a little dot. Great job! Now you try. Perfect! Now you know how to write the little j. So this is our activity sheet for today. First, write your name. Beginning sound J. Direction. Trace the uppercase J and the lowercase j. Then answer this question. 3 of these pictures have a J sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. That's it. Once you're done, you can give yourself a star. To answer this activity sheet, you can download it at Teacher Cathy Facebook page.
So that concludes our J sound for today. I think you're ready for our ABC song. Can you sing with me? Let's sing it together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
So that's it, kids. I hope you've enjoyed learning with Teacher Cathy. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I post new videos in this Teacher Cathy channel. And also, don't forget to visit Teacher Cathy Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you, everyone. Keep safe.